Hello YouTube, hope you are all doing good. This video is the continuation of previous video where we learned to make simple to-do app with Angular. If you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend watching that video first and then watching this video, and then it will make sense to you. The link is in the description. So in this video we'll achieve the same thing, but this time we'll use Angular services. But most importantly, we'll learn why, when, and how to use Angular services. The main objective of services is to organize and share business logic, models, or data and functions with different components of Angular application. When there is a need of sharing something within your component or something is done more often, this is the scenario where Angular service can fit in. So without further ado, let's start the show. First, open your favorite browser and go to this link. The link is in the description. Then clone the startup project. It is the same repository from the previous video. After download is completed, cd into that project and open VS Code or any favorite editor. Open the terminal and run the command npm I to install all the dependencies. After that, run ng g for generate, s for service, and service name here it is to do. This will generate a to do service file in the project. Now go to the to do service file that is generated. First, import observable and off operator from rxjs and also to-do interface from app-component.ts file. We will initialize a to-do array of type to-do, but this time it will be a private member. Now let's go to getToDo method. As this new getToDo method will return an observable of type to-do array to convert any variable into observable, wrap it with off operator from rxjs. Now let's go to add-to-do method. This method will return void and will accept a title argument of type string. Now we will create a new variable of type to-do and initialize it. The id will be the length of the array, title will be the argument we received, and completed will be false initially. Then we will push this variable into the to-do array. Now let's go to update to-do method. This method will also return void and will accept id of type number as an argument. As the id of to-do is the length of to-do array, we can point it to its location in the array by its id. So we have to just negate the completed property of the to do for the given id. Now let's go to delete to do method. It will also return void and will accept id of to do number as an argument. The to do array is reassigned with the array filter method. Filter method returns a new array based on provided condition. The condition here only returns to do whose id is not equal to the provided id. Delete title and to do array as we are serving to do from our service. Delete new to do and push method from add to do method. Delete this line from update method and also this line from delete method. Now add to do service as a public member. Call the add to do method from to do service and pass the title variable. Call update method on to do service and pass the id of the to do. Now call the delete method on to do service and pass the id that we received here. Now in app component.html file, replace to do's with to do service get method with async pipe. This is why we add it as a public member. Remove the click event listener from here. We will add it to the form. Now add ng submit event listener and call the add method. With all that done, now it's time to run the service. Type the command ngserve or here ngs short one. As it is the first time, it will take some time to initialize. Just wait patiently and hope nothing goes wrong. Now the service has started. Now go to the browser and open localhost and port 4200. Sorry. Let's check if it works. So will it work? Yeah, it does. Let's check it again. Yeah, it works. If you like the video, please like the video, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. It's a long ride of technology. Okay guys, if you like the video, like it, love the video, subscribe it. More videos are coming to the channel, so make sure you are subscribed. Thank you for watching.